then you come back, the very same Mbappe or Costan team, because he doesn't focus on the team effort, he's focusing on individual
I think it comes with attitude.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like some of the team they lose it there because remember Mbappe is at PSG are win treble, right? It's at Real Madrid they win. It's at Real Madrid Real Madrid they no China.
Like those guys have
I think he's a matchy player.
Yeah,
so they don't have a role playing
because it's like 11 players in the field.
Team telling the benefit of the players in terms of the sales. So like it's a role good performance in your player.
But what does it have to say with the fans? You benefiting business wise. I want to see.
We want trophies for the cabinet. Like it's not about
the second season Real Madrid is going trophyless, ever since Mbappe arrived.
Yeah,
there's another trophy.
And he's shining alone.
Yeah,
and no one said
top goal scorer.
It's a king of Real Madrid. I bear side thing what can Vinicius.
Yeah,
it took Vinicius kingdom.
Like Vini Buffett, I Vini. I still gonna say Vini. I'm not, guys.
But
it's not the.
If you want the stats, we should check the stats.
Even if you can check the stats, but Vini guys,
watch the number.
So numbers lie.
Okay.
No, numbers don't lie, but Vini is not that guy.
So basically, when it comes to Vini, numbers lie.
Thank you. No.
Well, no.
I guess you have to wait and see.
I understand what you're saying. But again, a City Uvini simple Real Madrid. Yeah, team performance, right?
Yes.
Must speak of World Cup. Manga Pegi Brazil off lately. Individual brilliance. They're no longer playing as a team.
It's been that team.
Yeah, so but the thing is, at least back then there was Leon Tonya never Chelangai, with some of the players they play
connection.
Team connection, you understand chemistry.
Yeah.
But now, like it's no longer the same, bro. Even if you can listen to Olokuzanama tabloids in socials, it was like say Brazil. Legacy years.
You know why? You know why? There's so many countries who's developing more players, more talent, and so on.
Yeah, they're focusing on one player.
On one player. It's no longer about say Brazil. No, even Relay is not scared of Brazil. Maybe I can tell you.
We are not scared.
Yeah, we are. In fact, Mboga is not scared, dog. I'm a Honda man. I come now. So we are. But I can tell. I can tell. Like Ipolo Al-Safan Nakala would say, Sizohlonipa, Brazil. Yeah, I'm told. Everyone is going to attack. Everyone's going to play their style of football. Everyone's going to score you. You understand? Their own talent. As much as Spain, my friend.
No mas matters about Swahili, no country.
Nicaragua. You understand?
Yeah.
There's guys who
Panama.
Let's understand the one thing.
Like
the coach na because
amanya play, yeah.
Young child.
Okay.
Angeke udlale bheka i-Sundowns ibuye kuyodlala iCAF then uyabalahlela via overload play bazokhathala i-World Cup singangayifika sabadinga labo bantu he needed ukuthi adlale ngama-player amanye atesta ama-optimize per se.
No, okay,
adlale di-players eding abone new combinations ke mang o ka fitang ko system yayo.
But
going
I think
forward going go di-game tse go dlala tsa Mexico.
But he like Hugo Mfethu auna change still on the ends tsa di-player tse ntšha tse leng tshwantse re tlo sheba o etsalang first 11 you understand. So Skaki Chokere maybe nearly demise in a way. I would say ukentse di-player tse to just buang ka tsona a sa batlo bontsha batho re o tshwere like winning formula yake a sa batlo reveal. So ke ntshonyana right again, let's just go with the game. They do not have to see what we play now.
And now the winning of the we show. I think that is the best one. No simply for those who are from Bologna.
Yeah.
Late,
it's too late.
I must to qualify. Last game was to qualify. When I went to this system, there's a combination. As which okay, no, 11 yam. Now I must have one. That was my game. No, I will. So, coming.
lutho
Anele mntwana. Mina nginepilisi.
bafethu okay ngiyezwa bafethu ngathi i-hotbox kuyashisa la i-T-Tech ne. T-Tech ngempile. Welcome to the show balandeli. It's your boy Philo Mathieu Brandon Kelvin ngona semqondi khona ne-cancer. Bathi mkhenza akathethiswi. Wenzani? Akashaya thethiswi. Hayi misa mari ngibambile. Izinto zami zingishiye ebhendini. Thank you Mluja. You signing bafethu, you signing. Manje usibeka kwi position konke.
Transfer. Yabona transfer. Sibukuyolanda ngala. Sikutransferile. Sibukuyolanda.
Njengoba sesishilo
amaplayer amasha
sibukuyolanda ngayo uMluja.
Yeah.
Sizothola nickname yakhe. Lesifunayo for le show.
Umluja liphelele. I'm sure, yeah.
Atajika no stop.
Yeah.
Strive likwengekho. Maqeda ngala sithi.
Ayikhona.
Yes. Bengizosimhlaba jikele mara kancane lelo gama lethemba. Senanchelen. Mr. Far.
Mr. Orafama.
Kanjalo introduce yourself my guy.
Babizinazi mina ngoThemba Mr. Nachalat.
Oh yeah.
Kanjalo.
Confirmation.
Walaza teka inkwaso mamoja zinje zakho.
Oh now thanile. Teka inkwaso lo. Wala mafuthi ngomekezini. Ibustin makara. Bandafuna shintsha makara.
Market aspect uKespa the ghost not lo Kespa lo nimazi. Yeah so siyakhoze. Mali ngasemo
Spokokene.
Bese ngathi ngizointroduce wonke umuntu. Ngintroduce nabe wardrop. Oh
Kanye
wardrop. Refreshments.
Yes.
That's warm.
Numbers.
So today we'll be diving into our upcoming transfer window. Markets in 2026 FIFA World Cup team selection. Sibambe kanjani bafethu. So bafethu ngithini ngama transfer ama players senzile rumors allegedly emoyeni.
Sasa alleged. Yazi wonke la ukhuluma ngawo ngama alleged.
Allegedly.
It's all allegations. As in allegations. I haven't seen anything materialize. Yeah. And the only one in Ibonile is the one when Jubane Ndona Lake Melie Chelsea. And also Chelsea can sign a coach, and then
Xabi Alonso.
Yeah, Xabi Alonso.
I think Iniesta had to sign any team as the head coach.
Iniesta since a coach at China.
Big 5 leagues.
In the Big 5 leagues.
Yeah. So yeah.
Transfer so far I be interesting mara
amagama wazwile nyanga
Madrid ifuna
Mr. Nachalat.
Yeah, so Mr. Nachalat.
Okay,
imfuna ngemali.
You think
they can? No. Bayern doesn't want.
And also Lisa wouldn't want that.
Yeah.
Of course, the paycheck is much better over there, but
so I feel like I'm ready to Rodri.
Yazini. Yeah.
Contract no Rodri.
So uzo Olisa hambe kubayeni ngomela sane
If Crystal Palace.
If you guys are selling Crystal Palace.
Our Ezuda things possible.
Anything is possible.
So when ngamfuna la. Ngamfuna ukuthi ayela. Uolis.
Kaizer Chiefs ayina coach by the way. Wasiba signing.
Sizwa amaruma.
Sikhuluma ngamaruma.
Amaroma.
Bathi abantu.
Allegations. Ban cruise. Man. Ukuthi yena u cruise ntontoni. Kaizer Chiefs ngathi lo sign up coach yana u. Yeah, cruise ntontoni. Akamtsi mfiki. Uzobamela ko shadi investigation.
Enye coach uTeben City lebe coach ku.
Obani? AP.
Angazi
or Lela.
Angazi mara one of the guys is going to coach Steven City.
Ubani Yosef ne? Ben Khalil Yosef or one.
and le enyangazi konje yakuphi
Burundi
athi
vibes.
yakulezi zase
Yeah,
they are separate.
Yeah.
Coach Arab.
Ama-Arab.
Team Gulf United.
Yeah, Gulf United. Locato also, I think Locato was one 1 year extension like Sundowns.
Miguel.
Yeah,
So we need to keep
The longer he
because of
stays,
maybe
Orlando Pirates will keep on winning.
Yeah.
mara bazomgqosha after 3 games ngizomamisa.
yeah, kuzomela enza into
Obviously, schedule saSundowns siyaqala saphayela apha VV yabo.
Abasananda bakhe bethu. Abayiza ku league first 3 games.
Out.
Shanga 2 draws 1 lose. Pirates win 3 games. Yeah.
Pirates bafethu ayiqali kahle.
Enye into ngathi Sundowns ifuna ukubusa uVan Wyk. Van Wyk intwana enedlala Stellenbosch. Yeah, amatrade esilendanyana esikral.
Mankarani. Ibile avalman konje.
Akusawuphula evelele man. So I think bafuna ukumbuyisa, bafuna ukumsayina naye.
Udlala li imang mat.
Ngathi bafuna ukumbuyisa yabo. Akufuna ukumsayina so like asazi ukuthi yeah,
Because of nobani
ila heta private program.
konje bani
Sundowns is another team now. You tend to win some transfers while you're close to the chest.
Yeah.
They do it very close to the chest.
abantu kahle khole ixhago kubani athi ufuna ukubaya.
Yeah, Ultaku, remember I told you ukuthi hayi azange renew contract.
He's playing
Like what like it came
Ezentani yathi nyanga interview yathi icoach yamtshela ukuthi like towards the end of ilona season izomdlalisa hence bambuyisele ngara ku DDC like sokusela ama game amancane bebafuna game time njengoba sebazomdlalisa nanu but then I think it's too late because of our renewal.
So season
ngathi angeza kuphi.
So any surprises?
Ayakuchi.
So any surprises kula mathima amakhona lawa enwabhekile ukuthi okay this player there's a possibility ukuthi ngangaka or le ngara. Okay, let me just say kula ngizowabiza mina. Obvious top 3 angithi. Ngaqeda sithi Stelis, sithi AmaZulu, sithi Golden Arrows, sithi Durban City. Okay, even those were cheaper, your Orbit yehlile ne? Any hashtags, name tags?
All these men go to players.
Yeah, bona upuni nani ndo nopotsani le.
What's that?
Yeah.
Defender.
Idlala i-Ridings. Yeah, midfield, go right.
Right midfield.
Yeah.
Atsukhoto.
Ukhoto.
Koto is not playing right way.
Yeah, legule.
Ukhoto is one of those players ababuyayo mustani ku institution. Uyabuya ngithi.
No, sengisho ukuthi possibility of those players signing
being saved by these teams. Yeah.
And I wish Pirates were selling key. The case.
Yeah. Yeah, one of those ababuyayo. Ebaningi ababuyayo.
Nele defender lenye makisi na lanto nimnandi. Ngoba ngizwile bathi iyathola ama man of the match yakhe. Sizwe Akake
Umbazo bamkhuphule.
iChiefs ke
Umbazo bamkhuphule.
Slap.
Akeke Mbazo le dula lahle.
Phela Mbazo ukuthi ba wabona sekungane. Hey, yazi ubuthathe
Sharp X. Slap.
Mbazo.
Slap there.
iChiefs I think inasana ndio ntwana le. Even but uyavaya kuba.
Yeah.
Because vela iphakuba uAiden phela lapha vela imbo amachwandla leza.
But I think ubani le umluyisana ngathi uyaya because of naye ngathi akasayinanga nelona neStelis.
Yeah, bamba isimo.
Umluyisana
Stellenbosch bayisa ama players.
ufasa ama player ba.
Qalela ka
Olisanda nayo yahamba.
Development yabo intswembu bafethu.
Ikhonjo bani konke
Yeah.
ufuna umabasa like ufuna uBlue
Njabulo yeah.
Ufuna
He's building a team that one.
Awenza super sport.
Yeah, he's building something, but then we know.
Yeah.
Double decker vibes.
Uzobona konje bani
yakhe nale Gavin Hunt football yakhe.
Hayi, double decker football vibes.
No Puli.
Yeah,
Vincent, yeah.
Usana no Puli. It's obvious. It's super sport.
Stellenbosch bese amaplayer
but then akusistelisi kuphela Joe.
iPirates
Pirates nayo iyachitha mfila akachithi maka khona ilist evayayo.
iPirates seshaya thank you.
Akawashaya ama thank you isazo washaya ama thank you.
Yes.
No
poste Chelsea basika George Matlo.
Uthatha George Matlo kakenani. Uthatha George Matlo.
Skipper player esithoke ngasebenzisa.
Umshaka amagabede.
Yeah, nayo omunye uzitho oceda ukurenew la kuChiefs. Yeah.
Lilepo uyavaya.
Lilepo wavaya. Asovaya.
Na sho lisavaya.
Novila kanze kuPirates.
Nami bengizothurile uzakuChiefs.
Njoba umpethu number 10, ngapha number 10.
Urile ngathi AS Monaco ngathi samfuna ibhile boma 200 million or something.
Yeah,
If I'm not mistaken. I know serious.
Mina ngifuna ha.
Nenye intwana nyana yeSundowns
Funa
Monaco na.
Mina ngifuna.
Kodwa ulibona lo but then angikho sure.
Siyazi ukuthi abombokazi they doing it well that side but mina ngingafuni ufuking ha.
Why?
Because you know why? We're going back to the structure saying you understand? Because we are humble umfuking. Into be interesting about the season le multiple players but strictly mfuking. Mafuna mawubhekelele game akuzodlala Pirates because ukuthi mangabukela mfuking mabhekelele game mawubhekelele hence I'm saying ukuthi there's players but the main one wasn't mfuking. Makhamba umfuking then what happened?
Po.
Yeah, I think now I'm promote.
But it won't be the same atmosphere.
Yeah, it won't.
But it won't, man.
But
Like
Popo can quit.
with Relay Popo, I understand. But with Relay Popo,
Yeah, Relay is more matured now. But if Popo bayamkhuphula, obviously uzomature with time.
yeah, you will mature.
Time.
Idolonye kaSashara.
But the thing is, leso sikhathi leso lesi khona manje phela sesibukeke ila sinjwa khona idis. Most of the fans enjoy PSL because of what's happening with PSL.
Yeah.
But now,
Hey,
yes,
Marama
the
draw.
promo to open, we still have to get familiar with
Lovely
his style of
draws.
play, wait for his moments, wait for Ikamala Kutu Kunyulo until we can focus and be like, okay.
While it's the Sundowns cheating football. Yes,
Well, I'm for
Player 30 million
Who's that
guy was playing for Itowns? Spain, like the second division.
Ribeiro.
Yeah, I think Pirates ifuna ukumsaya.
Free agent.
Pirates I think ifuna ukumsaya. I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, Pirates,
Apparently.
Chiefs.
My player nganani.
Namangisebenzi yabo. Anginathembi.
Bet mina ngisasekule ndaba la usitshela cheating football, cheat codes. Tell us. It's tell us. Whoa. Mr. Ghost Club. Mamela, lasakhuluma ngithi sifuna into ethi interesting. Sicela sicacise ukuthi kukhuluma ngani.
Sundowns have been cheating PSL for the past
8 years.
Be specific.
How?
Be specific. Is it gatekeeping
Ufuna
or
imali.
what? Or something that you have. There's something that you have for us.
Lezi Sundowns zizongizonda lezi. Ayizongizonda lezi. They've been cheating PSL. Nami if being a businessman, I would cheat for my business to become big.
Yeah.
But they are not big, they are just great. Yabo.
Just a smaller nyana team.
Yeah, a smaller than team doing great things. Yabo.
Yeah.
So how they
For the
been cheating this thing and told babulele competition.
Yeah.
Gatekeeping.
If Cape Town City namaplayer ethu ashisa bazoyenza sure ukuthi bayawasaya and abawadingi
Yeah.
bayazi ukuthi
Like it keep.
ungakhohlwa dating enye into engingayicabanga ukuthi makuphuma ilog they could see ukuthi ama last game wabo bazodlala nani and bayawazi ama team bawagayi competition to yilaba nalaba bazobheka ama player ashisayo kule ma team leyo bawasaya bayazi season mayiphela amadlala nalaba sifuna inkingi sifuna ukubashaya nje.
Yeah.
So mfana they've been cheating football like that. Ibheka imove kaMbukasi mawuza ukuthi uvaye kanjani. Ungabuza iSD yenye team ukuthi ubani player. Cabanga if mina ngione Sundowns umuntu angibuza ukuthi ubani player lishisayo lapha
and ngibona i-competition yami ne-player elishisayo ngikhomba lela player leliya ngithi nale i-player elishisayo ringa naleya team leya bakugayela player leya khipha imali ngiyazi ukuthi for mina you-win uyahamba zobahlala
mara
kuba nembo
no cause akayifiki TS Galaxy
uyangithola mangathi uyambhayizisa
ne-Golden Arrows I know asihlasela i-studies hayi
ne-partnership thatha wonke nabantu abasipana ku-technical team
yo ayasihlasela ukho
so i-Sundowns ichitile bafethu football sikhathele
Mr. Spoko Gang.
So
bayamazi voice. Okay,
so mangithi makuthule kuyathuleka mangithi masishaphetha jump right.
Oh hi.
Correct.
So back at it. So what I was saying is bengifuna ukuthi sidiscuss indaba ye-first game with South Africa and
Mexico.
Like ukuthi what is it that we have to expect from them? How do we manage the game? If we want to win, what is it that we need to do? Or Hugo Bros need to do? Because Tina, maybe that's for you guys.
I will not play devil's advocate on this one by your slab. I have little faith in that.
Me, I'm positive.
Yeah.
It is it is going to go to surprisingly, teams are like your underdogs.
Yeah.
And the later crash game. And so maybe it's a crash now.
It's the fourth time.
Yeah, 1-1.
It's the fourth time.
Yeah, I think I'm not the one that's in 2010. It's an sport.
Exactly. The
previous 2 times before that one, that's sharp.
Yeah. And another thing, you see with this, like approaching the game,
opening match. Yeah.
Must pay ama records. Okay, let me just say ama stats. Or my friend Laos was South Africa, I think we drew twice, right?
Yeah.
And we lost once.
Yeah.
And they won, like I think against Ghana 2. They won against is it what? Because I think it was 5-something. At those results, like what like like what are the outcomes that you see?
I feel like Hugo Bros njengoba besisho ukuthi bekasarest ama-player still
experimenting.
Usahlanganisa team yakhe but he knows ukuthi who's going to start, who's going to play what, nani. Temba's what. It's fine. So but I feel like for me, South Africa is gonna win that game. Yeah, for me.
For me too.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna win that game because of those guys are ready and those guys are fully prepared mentally, hopefully. And Hugo Bros knows what to do, and the boys know what to do for the country. So I'm hoping 1-0 first game at least.
And I'm just hoping ukuthi njengoba so approach the game, they say approach ngalendlela le ukuthi we're playing prove point.
Yeah.
You know, we're playing so that we can progress because ngokuya ngami and the States, I think in South Africa it's been a while. Actually, iyaphuma nje kuphuma
stages.
No. Yeah.
So it's something I would say celebrate, but it would be an extra if we progress moving forward.
But when I still stay, I still gonna say ukuthi
amachance mfethu atlophusha mfethu yakanje.
I believe
confidence amachance bacava no like bayemekayo like game yakakabo. And you can imagine abakawina game itlochuna going forward go on. So kana no like considering the fact that most of the players trileng ka tsona da tsakai ya cavana week in week out, even though but there are different teams but then by cover. Whereas kara only the rumors so Mexican team it's a performance sharp. Most of these got individual players brilliant. So obvious umuntu batoshayena ufita umuntu so kai itenda combination da unity e rena le yona ya kai ya di players tsa rona amongst ourselves bona ka intsantshe wabo. So ke ana no ga game e di tlo nganda
ene
tsona
ke dula ke rapela na fethu
tsele
Like really, you see, with really like your external factors, like visas and so on, they do play a role. You understand? Because we need to be organized. And I tell Karuna Felix from like the academic hierarchy. It's from code yes, I feel like only fit as you know. But if the code shaking already I pray that to be physically and mentally prepared for the game.
Mental fortitude.
Yeah.
It's very important for the matches of Sonalite. But I still say I will not play devil's advocate. This is going to be a very difficult World Cup for these boys. The best we can do in that group is 4 points. To maybe that would be enough, which is kind of progress. But the best we can do in that group is 4 points.
So you don't believe in
when I'm gonna end up with a John
But that's the best we can do.
That's the best.
So you
win and one draw.
Win and draw. Mexico, to draw in South Korea.
The best that we can do. That's the best we can do.
That's the best. I will not.
We didn't select people. I'm a player with that mentality.
I promise you, I will not play devil's advocate.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but we don't want the best we can do.
Mexico. But I mean, anything you want
yeah.
They play like Mexico. Actually, they play like Spain. Basically, they build from the back, but slowly building.
Yeah.
So, like leading aim to Mexico now for now. Okay, it's a competition, but it's not a competition. With what I believe I have, the players that I believe I have, and the players that are capable of winning all the matches. That's my take.
Yeah, me too.
The squad that we have right now.
The players that we have.
Not information that coach.
The players that we have.
Yeah.
The capabilities.
Okay, but the players that we have in our roster, yeah.
And exactly. So
Come on,
yeah.
And another thing,
Adam Lou. Believe.
I love South Africa.
Dali Thembi. Believe.
iqala lapho uthi siqala ngayo.
Yabona
Singama citizens. Boys, baba.
Patriotism.
yabona enye into I feel like Hugo thought azosibambezela thought
Uzohold up.
yeah
Uzohold up.
mfethu alahlele mfethu faka ushukela
Straight.
faka ushukela etiye umnikazi uzosipholisela lona etiye mfethu even if we're going to play there we need to play with a style of football lento lo besikhuluma last week singasibambezeli ukuthi hey, we wanna play
modern style, low block.
Our style of play.
Mele silenze. Mele yabona
silenze.
And
Mele shivala.
Hanga uThemba Zwane mele ashaya ithende ezi-15. Mele shaya, mele siyenze.
Yeah, honestly speaking, I once said ukuthi Urele was one of the players with Mele just throw him to the wolves. At an early age, throw him in the wild. Because I have a feeling Urele is not going to get that much game time with the World Cup.
Exactly. PSG introduce the coach Kimankoje efitlileng a qeta Mbappe qeta ba Enrique Dembele okay nka se tjho o hlotse di coach tse phae but because the panel is some understanding Philip Dembele abantwana it's onto it
throw him to the jungle.
Why the lirile mfethu ntwana dlala bola bona re tla o market
He's a game changer that one.
bona re tla o market
I would say udlala position 10 uyidlala ukuthi 10 like ihlale phambi strike
ibola lakudala kuphela simakadlala itheko nokumthola le
wing
center winger ukuphi everywhere because
uprogram ama-play
squad uyambona
unamathelo kulayina force
and another thing ungabona ngale nto leyo ukuthi uma ubheka ama-player wethu uma wadlala to our domestic clubs they perform very well. Mabafika la, baba stagnant because of usabadlalisa le bhola kudala espine ukuthi noma lapho that's a position you don't push. It doesn't have to be like that because if ugayi urile ifreedom ama-player ngakazodlala phambili. You understand?
So zonal football.
Amobile phela ometsa be stagnant o frustrate abo apolice o frustrate striker sa bona se sa schatting bo force la leng le understand. But ke sure the way a khethileng ka teng batho ba nkopile o khethile mohlakaniphi because we know ukuthi for Stampede he can't throw the defenders away from it, like he can't keep the defenders on their toes. As for Mahopa we know badonsa nginwele ukuthi you understand a little bit uthola Reyners clinical image you understand lapha phambili we shy in plan. But then again mozofika there are questionable players siyazi sonke ukuthi nani but let's just have hope and believe ukuthi they will deliver.
Amarna ke tshepe go players chaba itlokora first game.
Mokoena players chaba
if it's going up, but I thought he's gonna play because of Mutau like it's a favorite.
But Bandel says a winger there.
No, it's
Udala as a forward. Udala as a forward.
I never talk for police. Come on.
Never. I just saw Mremi or Masego. Yeah, between Mremi and Masego.
The time I is on Borale and 5-3-2.
That's the problem.
There's a mind about it.
And I think so as to good
People
so I'm shy.
But it makes it like 4-3-3. It makes it almost okay. It's time to try the contract information
4-5-1.
4-5-1 is defender. Who's the defender?
Formation there. The formation is panel. The 4-3-3 is
4-3-1.
Because kama ama winga swethu lokuza freedom ukuthi benze whatever. Manje when they are 5 you come round for the next time. Ujongiile antatho utokwenza defensive mechanism.
4-2-3-1 it over grand because of flexible area pay. You want level number 10 till 3. Let's say it's a shang interchange. 4-2-3-1 ga tseba rena le ulo sa batlong go gara mara di midfielder span.
The span ga pusha forward the killing. But aba fethu most definitely
one peg you lobano icala ke starting 11 besides goalkeeper you all know
besides kept
what you say
players chaba ite TLP con
I know TLP
nyanya con TLP con uzompheka nolona no icon no con obvious Mtau. I don't know ukuthi umdiba how far fitness but then
probably he's gonna play.
He is gonna play.
What I know ukuthi crossing yeka aqala uzodlala uqabini ku left ifavor umdiba wakaphula iback four le from there players Chaba uPerano number 13 lo sikamfuni ilineup ka Bros le usithole uyaya from there side ini
not Goodman
iplayer ka Hugo Bros uzodlalisa uyaya uzoba phera boyi2 besathi mshishi phambi kwabo from there side angacala ngolona ngapolice mela aqale ngaye akana chance from there ngaya ku left uzofuna umuntu one speed obvious uzocala ngoRiaval uzodlalisa yena from there to force that up phambili lineup yakhe leyo Grootman Dan uzwani uzomqalisa because of athi XP yakhe uzomqalisa ngoba siyazi ba mna number 10 makade
uyokwazi controller tempo ye match.
Now we just questioning like his game match fitness basically.
But we can't write off Zwane.
What we saying is not
Zwane
kuzona kuyosipana idea.
It's a great kicker.
Kuyosipana idea.
I understand. Even if I understand anginankinga nalokho mara Zwane guys it's a great player. You can make things happen. On a good team. Young Zod. But for me, I feel like Zwane is there to control the tempo of the game.
Yeah.
I'm still gonna say.
Yeah.
You know, I'm still gonna
Sit on it.
yeah. Because of you know why. Zwane bafethu afethu pass idea.
I khona nokuyehlisa igame.
Zwane can pass for days. Like we can say whatever we want to say, but Zwane can play football.
In your mouth space.
Yeah.
He can.
Yeah.
But me into engafuni ukuthi I avoid carry ball. Because ngathi you remember Zwane back then maka protect ibhola ngoma so.
Yeah,
manje hotel protect akasekho bamshaya okwenzakala and then goes back to India. Kwamele nje makathola ibhola abheke cha
kube nomuntu ozomsondela
kanjalo yeah angavumi ukuthi bamkhozi wakubamba ngiyakutshela sizoshota ngomuntu emidleleni izokhawathela
noma singashota mfethu sona
yeah sekyatsho fela like athelo uthwa bhola nakho
bazolahlela uGotman
uGotman bazolahlela uGotman kashaya isipani
lethalele
asazi ukuthi
amathalenta wafana
asazi ukuthi lama game asiphatheleni
yeah
asazi ama outcomes ukuthi ama players ophuma phelele ama players ophuma ngakha injured you understand
Tito is there
I'm saying
to replace
listen they need to replace but now the thing is if lama player lawa esibheka ukuthi sosebenza ngawo akhawatheke then i-chain isiyaceka already because we believe ukuthi kanje i-PSA1 secala iceka kuba nama-bus of them yonke into
but I still disagree like in football you'll never rely on one team. I understand. In football,
one team, one player.
Yeah, in football, like
no, you don't.
You can't rely. You're gonna rely to everyone who's in the team. You understand? That's why I'm saying, even if you get an injury or whatsoever, you still need to find a way to make things happen.
Yeah,
this is football. Anything that you're gonna write it off, it's gonna surprise you because of you could say like. Relay's not gonna show up, then Relay shows up. I understand.
But obviously it's a championship, right?
Yeah.
Tournament. You remember last week in the World Cup, we cannot rely like scout backup. You remember Nerugua Kataba one killer defender to fire. No, like you remember one killer defender to fire, whereas the department saying maybe get a whatsoever. Yeah. So how can you rely? Let's say for an example, more thing, then what happens?
But you know, like I feel like midfielder, like he intervenes Kabataka cool. He took people who's going to protect us. Likes of talent, he can defend. Players Chaba Jaden, I shy him Jaden.
Shayito zakho
umuntu ozoba nama yellow card ukudlula wonke umuntu nizongibambisa
probably red card ayakhahlela
so I feel like isquad sethu ufuna ama midfielder wethu ufuna ukuthi protect i-flat 4 yethu you understand that's why it didn't take so much of midfielders but he take people that he can trust ukuthi labantu lawo mangibalahlela Amaros Pepelo slow you pass him off. So mara I feel like uthatha abantu ukuthi if ngilahlela lethulela i-flat 4 yami bazoyiprotect. That's how I feel. Yeah. Mara offensive Themba Zwane.
Themba no read ama number 10 one.
Yeah, pair.
We are not potent.
And then wing.
So how many players would you say besides really be creative moment to me? You must go into role.
The creative.
A police can play 10.
Yeah, police uyakhona ukudlala 10 because of udlala kanjani.
Also he is very
Umtawu makadlala udlala as a wing back.
As a wing back. So
meaning wa police uthaka in.
Yeah.
Overload yakho pin. Especially when it comes to offensive.
In the game even it's overloaded him
Either way close ala cutting game because of ratsebo.
If overload a moment we force them to play
the long
balls. And the long balls we know aerial balls. Okay, they're better than ball because Bona Abana melee and the aerial wise Abayo.
Yeah, so yeah, I mean that's
and they're under pressure.
And they're quick.
Mexico.
We're playing
the jalapenos.
Mexico. And another thing, defense, they won't wait for them to sit back. They will wait for them to attack. That's why we actually catch them because they will be making mistakes. because pressure Mexico batla win. And bona ba bone rona re wina.
Yeah.
You understand?
Home advantage. Abekho physical, yeah.
Into ngisho ukuthi
advantage bafana ama-opponent wabo team lokuqala bazoyofunda so kumele bazorelease badlala ibhola.
I think le game lelo lizodetermine nayilona i-pace yakho, i-intensity yakhona, tempo yakhona.
That's why it's
Because of leza zine-speed most of the time.
Yeah,
They are full of
very
running.
fast.
and
Yeah,
sometimes
Charles.
overload.
Yabo.
Big Utemba zone.
Maka not necessarily go tlamele re overload. Re overload re va middling.
Yeah, middling.
No, like that tlamele re control nje game. Speed sa bona tlamele re use against bona.
That's
Yeah,
what
that's what
comes
Ke mo temo shikabala.
Yeah.
A khona go yehlisa la mo relax am fethu. Because of now we know la lenge ke notice ka di plata tshwana le bo police. Ba quick, re vai. O quick sinini yi mo letleng sa shift.
Yeah, exactly.
The great o tlo khona o ne one shot. So like ke la lenge re ka wina na re ka wina jwalo.
Yeah,
But una ne motho tlamele a create le yena a policy space seo. Motho re mmeileng go pele ha gone o etsa ntse ya hore a tontshe di defender
Ba lahlele ngwana sisa
Facebook.
In Mexico,
Yeah.
they play from the back. But some people from the back, then Polo Labon get a target. Then that's where they
That's
press.
funny.
ba tshwana
Yeah,
la
and I'm saying if we overload la, we forcing them ukuthi benze lento le. Sesiyazi ukuthi mas overload bazofuna ukuyisa ibhola ku left or ku right. And siyazi ukuthi angithi
They
bathanda
have
ukugijima
base,
bala.
yes.
Like mfethu siyabakheja labantu la, kanti masibakheja thina sidlala ibhola.
ama game ka Hotman la
Ngiyakutshela
Hotman.
fana, leya game
My man. Maka o ringe vare vele everything play fana lit
So my friend,
play roba la
score
nyana.
predictions,
Yeah.
score predictions.
Me, I still gonna stand with 1-1.
1-0.
1-0.
When I say
We are
So
losing.
we are losing.
Yeah, we are losing. Would be lucky to get a consolation goal. 3.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
This guy.
now, I think something like it's being realistic. And
Yeah.
I spy the ocean this.
Yeah, who goalkeeper? Yeah,
Yeah, 3.
Goalkeeper just
Goalkeeper,
In the first half, 1-0.
yeah.
Second half, Batabula 2.
Okay.
I mean, I believe so.
So we 2-1.
Maybe even worse. He just got first half, and then the second half was shy
2-1.
There's one thing you tend to complicate yourself. You don't believe what you do have the chance of actually getting a consolation goal. But it's just a goal.
No, if we are lucky to get a consolation goal, sing I got a this was club 3.
I'll play my combo. Ronwen.
But the second game,
Czech Republic. Or something.
No, Chesney.
Chesney.
Yeah.
Yeah, things like that. Because of last game,
They
is
don't switch.
I was son.
the chess never see how we go.
Yeah,
Yeah, when I
yeah.
Yeah, when I lapo. That's where we are getting a 3 points.
South Korea.
Hey.
Sihlawe naye.
Game players do like banally capabilities of actually
To
making
do anything.
anywhere.
Yeah.
Mtimba lo ibuile la idea.
Arskasheba team, individual players.
Mhm.
And okay, I'm telling whatever it's I think back then, whatever that's happening right now in Czech, span someone. Players like Bo, yo back then going to Lancerero, your Presidaus and everything. They play that side and somehow they've managed to get whatever lineup or king scheme of Bahonoza. So having to face these players, like European League, if we were like South Africa, if it was possible, when get team European League, we could have like never better than many teams that are. Teams
Just
Like, okay, like,
you can name them.
Like in fit.
The top 5. I'm just saying.
They think in
We
fit.
do have the
We can
capabilities.
compete
Whether
in
we
fit.
go against Barcelona,
Like
or we go against Germany or Brazil, we still
Siboni
can-
in fit.
we can-
Siboni-
we can tell.
Reborn like Reborn Sundowns, we compete to go to World Cup.
Exactly, we can
Yeah.
tell.
So meaning we can compete. in fit. mindset ke yona e tlo etsang direng go like go win.
And you know they have the youngest coach in the World Cup.
Come on, bro.
Over
German.
Oh.
They
players.
No, we can compete.
Also fighting for the same thing.
Sizolwina le game. Then mina believe this.
Yeah, I love the patriotism. Not the realism. Reality yona siyayibaleka, but patriotism, man, we are patriots.
Yes. Console.
That's console.
Yazini. Without
But we believe. We believe.
No, yabona, when you say you believe, when you believe something, it means you don't know it. Do you know?
I do know that I'm gonna chow this niggas.
Yeah. Then you must know. I know. I don't believe.
As a physical, as a Europa, Egypt. Mexico ba open so.
Yeah.
Never.
Okay, Mlucha.
And bazosilanda. Bazosilanda crash ngathi sabantwana.
Kuba something Mlucha.
Yeah.
Ko AFCON. Richile kapagajio.
Go AFCON.
Yeah.
No run coaches vile.
Agishile ke coach. Nanoma singadliwa le first game should udliswa
we do believe in the players. The players we capable. Trust me,
They showed you.
We are capable.
ungazoqualify amadododwa ngemoment yakho ukuthi ushaye.
Let's mfethu wabona lona redlale ingumisa
Mejeje.
uhleletse alapho singabasha
Lapho
they can surprise you bona ba je rona re jetse tse kgolo tse tso shebile mo top.
konje na 2010 zasha eFrance.
You see?
Issue isinjani?
That ain't
4 points vele.
That ain't actually. They had big names. Baphetha boMaluda, big names.
Baqoba le playing.
But still,
Sabashayela ukuthi baqobe.
into engayenze.
Athi
I'm told.
baqoba ni sabasha ukuthi baqoba ne play
No.
singena.
Bafike la baqobe.
So if bema nebasacabana no tlo etsalang.
yeah, bazosha. Abo Ribery. Bangazwana, bangene egroundini bangazwana.
Shaya lo kangazwana.
Yabo Maluda.
Yeah, mfethu we capable. We do stand a chance.
Abu one.
Sorry.
Which one? Man, Maluda.
Maluda was
You touch. Yeah. Nicolas Anelka.
Anelka. Olivia.
What was the Arsenal? Phela ile neflika report, neflika la Griezmann.
Yeah.
Longu.
Ihlakanipile leyo.
Difference na ukuze bafike ku final.
Bewumehluko.
Iroli yakhe.
Bewumehluko.
No, mara iroli yakhe beyintsimi because of besimbona ukuthi as a striker. Wenza.
Uyabona ukubadonsa.
And ukhona ukulink up nobani no Griezmann.
Yeah. Umaho. Yes.
Ampana yabona different ball game. Asidlali league, isidlala cup, isidlala like sejana.
Yeah.
Salfasi.
Surprise umakhupa.
What's
Lyle Foster ukhona. Lyle Foster opponent leya. He's one of the defenders ngale phela.
Striker saka Hugo leso.
Usiza ama defender ama opponent.
Ubheka ama triple le Jamaica la izulu. Ubheka indlela banibinisi.
Mfana.
Ubani?
As bad.
Lyle Foster.
Correct, ne?
Messi here.
Nah, confidence yamshaya ulo. Think confidence. Think confidence.
Ukuthi mandlali league. Ukuthi mandlali cup. And like andlali ka utshwana. Wamtholi preparations alitshwana. Hence ke tshona tshona lo phela ke off season. Right? So tshwanetse in turn ntse ba ilwanela abantu badlala individually monye what a proper point of bona tshwanetse ba select for FIFA. Ke yone tshwanetse ba le sebeletse la. So ke nna le nyore ba sa ba tshepeng ba re ba meisa ba go re leng.
Ba ka showa
but not lie la meto.
Bona ba tlo prove
lelo.
Not Foster dog.
Yeah, Foster lapha.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
forced. Usekenza ku-Forstile wangena.
What?
Yeah. Yabona la ke that sizoba potent ke phambili la.
Yeah.
Sishoda nge-potency nje going forward.
Yeah, uRenas. Mina phela ngicela ngomahuphe. Akhathazela ama-defender la ukuthi mangena uRenas bangakhona ukummela. Sekaqedelela kokotela ispeaking sogcina. Because if uzodlalisa uForce ama-defender relax. Zithi seke enough labantu ndoda istamina sala.
Yeah.
Ngithe manje mafaka umahupha lokho abahlanganisa ngamakhanda lapha ya. Makufika uRenas.
Ngithi mahopa futhi uWes ngoba uzolibela abayisa le uvela le intwana lezi libe mina ivela lamagundwane lawa hey
ababeka phansi kwamakhwa
yeah uthi bawuqala uthi ugcina la sekade uthi mahopa uyadonsa naye
bafana
ngibonile ukuthi mina ngikhona nti
wena
nomzansi noma specific
yeah
Athi namhlanje free kick azangasabuni.
Baningi sikhipha amaningi
yeah
uthi njengoba bafana bedlala Orlando Stadium ama-fans ePirates abuthembazwana athi ama-fans ePirates ubone kanjani ama-fans
njengoba uthembazana azogaya uFoster Elon ukuthi ashaye penalty njengoba azogaya uFoster penalty ukuthi ayishaye angithi uthe ama-fans wePirates abuye
yeah
and then wagaya uFoster Elon disc so still bampuwa nayo uFoster Vivi ama-fans wePirates
athi ama-fans ePirates
so
ama-fans wePirates
so ama-fans ePirates kahle
should be kunama-fans wePirates
lamthuthu
so yithi ama-fans ePirates sikhona uku-afforda amatikiti ngegame labafana
institution not just a team
base bamnyele bamtshela ukuthi wena yini Dlamini
and legend
kuba ngazuthi abantu bayabheka
mina Dlamini enzani
yakona lo
1 million enzani
why kangayenza so
yeah
like ama-legend chiefs kwenzakalani lokudwa kusakhumana kumina
sekukhune no babili
abafana ama-fans ePirates angena because sibukela i-country
edinga isupport ye-country
ama-fans vele yilugwamo
ama-player yes
bawuthi awe-Pirates
angithi yazibheka la nombuli
wabone ngapi
wakhuna ekthakanje kubaleke umbuli la umbuli ubuza ukuthi wakhuna ekthakanje lela mthuthu FC it's effective lamthuthu everything
but
dale lo top level
yeah
but the thing is yeah my man
and asazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani asazi ukuthi ngangayini
Chicago Fire
into lamthuthu was directed straight to Chiefs like we shot fire to Kaizer Chiefs because of what no listen because of what
okay
because if you remember the looking Lupopo whatever thing the Josh Matlock thing
yeah.
That's the thing that actually escalated this whole thing because remember when I was at we didn't qualify for top 8 yeah we didn't qualify for top 8 entertainer
there wena walumela lamthuthu ke this other team
okay so let's see
way kade ngatumela ukuthi this other team kide way iportray when kade
so mdawuyela na referral ko team
the shoe fits
ndawo ana lamthuthu maybe PSL ka
so basically
umdawu bekaringa ngayiphi team makathi ayigqokwa kwabo lamthuthu abaqeqeshwa wina khe
yeah ngiboni
bola mthuthu kuboma
ayifakwa abantu abangenayo
mina ngiyayithola into esho mina ngiyathola into after
so manje akazi
ebobo
abo Cinderella
it doesn't fit anything but it was directed like so because remember kunalento lokuthi kunalento lokuthi yangikhuluma kakhulu unqualifying na ku top 8 right unqualifying na ku top 8 siyeke lapha indaba uz iwine okay afike I choose that I follow Lamtut. Obviously, it's directed straight to Kaizer Chiefs because they didn't even qualify. And the fans of Orlando Pirates, they made it clear with the emphasis. Lamtut FC.
The fans.
That's how it is. The fans,
not the legend. Not like
Pirates. Pirates, if there was no fans, maybe they'll support their external factor, the flavor in it. I don't think the season could have went the way Hambeng called. I don't think. So I don't think. You understand? I don't say. Those are your words. So that's how it is.
Shoot my fans the Pirates arena
Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi bebagcoka ikipa ezinjani makudlala iBafana Bafana.
Bebashaya ikipa lezi ezigreen lezi national team lezi away.
Ngiyazi ukuthi ufake Pirates. Favor. Chiefs. Oh, favor.
Favor ball. Ngibhakani yalomqino.
Wena.
Oh, not Scoopy at all. I thought you feel Scoopy.
That's why it's different stuff for you.
That's why ngithi iqiniso mina. Ubobheka. I-replacement ka Themba Zwane. Bobheka ukuthi befuna ukuba ubani. Bebafuna ukuba uTito. I-replacement ka Themba Zwane. Bebafuna ukufaka uTito.
Yeah.
That's why Themba Zwane uthatha ibhola. Abhuwa nami bengashuta amafeni Pirates. Ngoba befuna ukufaka uTito instead of Themba Zwane.
Oh, my speculation.
Yeah.
Hey, it's always speculation.
Allegations. Umzansi vele ngathi bafuna uTito umzansi. Yabona bathi ama fans Pirates.
Oh.
Ready to pendula. Ready to stand your ground, even though you see like you're gonna defeated there. Like yo. All right.
I know.
Sebala, sibonga Twiggy's legacy. Ukusipha the info for it. Bashoka is over.
Yeah.
Yeah, not over. Over. Yeah, over. Sibonga the coach season. Welcoming our new signing. Sisazi umcabangela igama.
Luja.
Hayi, yes.
Kelele.
And like okay, ngizongitholile but ngizona. Speak.
No.
Mr. Nonchalant. Asha izinto zakho sifuna ukubona i-trademark yakho azokubiza Mr. Nonchalant. Trademark.
Trademark.
Yeah, base-cheapo devices can connect. Yeah. Say value your Facebook. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Comment section. Mr. Nonchalant. Tholakele. Uyenje uphethe lezo.
Mr. Nonchalant la. Ngila yenze kona Mr. Nonchalant.
I was shy. And I need pose.
Mina